How to read annual report. This is video number 3. Audit report is a document issued by an independent auditor. This report will come with audit opinion about the accuracy of the financial statements that are prepared by the management. So this audit opinion can be unqualified, meaning the financial statements are free from material misstatements, or it can be qualified opinion. This is issued when the auditor concludes that there is a limitation in the scope of the audit, or there is a departure from generally accepted accounting principles, but the rest of the financial statements are fairly presented. Then it can also be adverse opinion. This is issued when the auditor determines that the financial statements are materially misstated and they are not in conformity to GAAP. And it can also be disclaimer opinion. This is issued when the auditor is unable to form an opinion on the financial statements due to significant scope limitations or uncertainties. And what that indicates? It indicates lack of sufficient evidence to provide assurance. So that's the opinion that will come out in this audit report. And when the auditor says financial statements are giving true and fair view, it means the financial statements truly represents the financial position, performance and cash flows of the entity. An audit report will significantly focus on compliance with generally accepted accounting principles, that is standards, accounting standards, Ind AS or IFRS, whatever. This compliance is very important because that will ensure accuracy, consistency and reliability of the financial statements.